Breaking on Live Report after Modi's interview on Frankly Speaking, Mayawati rules out an alliance with the BJP, becoming a part of the NDA. Modi on Frankly Speaking had said aggressive strategy could be taken to keep the options open vis-a-vis Mayawati, Mamta and Jaya.
लेकिन हमारी पार्टी ना बीजेपी का ना एनडीए का किसी भी प्रकार से कोई समर्थन नहीं लेगी अपनी सरकार बनाने के लिए। हमें किसी भी मोर्चे की बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। जब केंद्र में हमारी पार्टी बैलेंस ऑफ पावर बन जाएगी तो जो पार्टियां धर्मनिरपेक्षता में विश्वास रखती हैं और सांप्रदायिक ताकतों के खिलाफ है तो वो अपने आप ही हमारे पास आ जाएंगी। तो हमें कोई मोर्चा गठन करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
Pranshu now joins us. Pranshu, Mayawati is known as a lady who doesn't speak out very often, but in the recent weeks we've seen her speak out at least twice and thrice on the possibility, or rather ruling out the possibility of an alliance with the BJP. What's behind this urgency?
Well, see, today it was a really significant statement coming from Mayawati, because remember yesterday post that interview of Narendra Modi with our editor-in-chief, where Mayawati has made it very clear that she is not going to support Narendra Modi or the NDA. But today again she reiterated that forget the question of supporting NDA or Narendra Modi. She has even outrightly rejected the very idea that she is also even ready to be a prime minister with the support of NDA or the BJP. So clearly, there was this speculation that though Mayawati has denied support to NDA or the BJP, but will she be willing to take a support in order to become a prime minister if such a situation arises post result? So clearly Mayawati has now made it very clear that even if BJP in the case of an hung parliament offers her to be the prime minister or tries to support the BSP for the formation of government, even in that case Mayawati is going to have no alliances or no understanding with the BJP or the NDA. She also has made it clear on the question of any the possible understanding with the UPA. Mayawati at this juncture has refused to disclose her cards, so that clearly keeps that possibility open that Mayawati can look to some sort of an alliance understanding with UPA or other secular parties post result.